Hello students, I am Anita Dhiman, your computer teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear student, we know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with school, teacher and lack of education. Most of the schools of the country have started online classes. You must take advantage of this opportunity. Our school has started giving online education to continue our study. Now it is easy to make connection with you all and it will help us to cover our syllabus and maintain the flow of study. Chapter number 8, String Manipulation in Java. By the name of string, you know this is the combination of numbers and alphabets. We have discussed about various manipulation on numeric data earlier, but today I will explain to proceed with alphanumeric data types. Alphanumeric data types are the combination of letters or letters and digits. In Java languages, we will take data in two categories: characters and string. Character is defined as a letter, a digit or any special symbol. Letter means alphabet, digit means 0 to 9 numbers, or any special symbols. You know about special symbols are given in our keyboard like and sign, multiplication, percentage, has, all are the signs are known as special symbols enclosed within single quotes, because character are enclosed within a single quotes. For example, A single quotes, T also in single quotes, 9 also in single quotes. It is alphabet, this is also alphabet in small letters, and this is the digits, and this is the special character, this is also a special character, etc. These are the characters. There are 256 characters available in computer. Each character is associated with a numeric code termed as ASCII. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Technology. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The ASCII code of the first character is 0. It will start from 0, whereas the ASCII code of the last character is 255. Character are 256, but last character ASCII code is 255. Why? Because it will start from 0. First, I am assigning character literal to a variable. A character variable is assigning character literal to a variable. A character variable is declared under char. We are taking char, C-H-A-R-A-C-T-E-R. So we will take C-H-A-R only. So char data type to store a character literal. Syntax is character data type variable is equal to character literal. For example, character data type is char and CHR is variable, and this is the character literal. Capital A is a character literal, and we have written in single quotes because this is a char data type. Char data type character are written in single quotes, so that we have written in single quotes. Now, for example, char CH1 is equal to, this is the digit, but when we are writing in single quote, it will become a character. Char CH2 is equal to, and this is also special number, but we will known as char. Why? Because it has also written in a single quotes. The character A, 8 and AND are stored in variable CHR, CH1 and CH2. Means CHR is equal to capital A, CH1 is equal to 8 and CH2 is equal to AND, and they all are in character, they are all are character data types. Now assigning string literal to a variable. String is defined as a set of character. There only one character, but here we will take set of characters. They are written in double quotes. Character are written in single quote, but string written in double quotes. For example, computer written in double quotes. Pay 2017 is also written in double quotes, and this is the combination of alphabets and numbers. So this is known as alphanumeric. This is 1469. This is digit. This is a number, but we have written in double quotes so that it will also a string. Pay. This is underscore sign to underscore date. This is a special character, but they are joined with underscores so that it is also a string. A set of digits enclosed under double quotes. 1469 is also treated as a string. It is not a number. To assign a string literal to a variable, it must be declared as string data type. In character we are the data type is char data type, but in string this is the string data type. Syntax: string data type variable equal string literal. For example, string st is equal to science. String str is equal to index dash 1243. String strg 5492. The string science index 123 and 5492 are stored in string variable. Science st index 1243 str 5492 strg. So that we can say that string is only a built-in data type that is available with the first character in uppercase. All other data types are used having all character in lowercase. Means in string only first character will be in uppercase, means capital letter. Rest of the character will be in lowercase. Now character function. First I will explain character functions. These functions deals only character manipulations. Char data type that deals with only char data type. Some of them are explained below. First is character is letter. Is means character is letter. It means that character this function is used to check whether a given argument is a letter or not. Means it will check that the given argument is a letter or not. If it is a letter, the answer will come true. If it is not a letter, the answer will come false. So it returns a Boolean type value. Boolean type value are only two types, true or false. So that answer will come in true or false values. Syntax: Boolean variable. Boolean variable means true or false. Character is letter character. For example, Boolean p. This is a Boolean p is variable. Character is letter. This is a function, and character is small c. The function will return true because to the variable p. Why? Because c is a letter. It is not a digit. Boolean p character is letter 6. It will return false. Why? Because 6 is a digit. It is not a letter. Second, character is digit. This function returns a Boolean type value true if a given argument is a digit, otherwise false. Same example. First we have taken Boolean p, character is digit 7. This answer will come true because 7 is a digit. It is not a letter. Boolean p, character is digit g, capital Z. Answer will come false. Why? Because G is a letter, not a digit. Now third is character is letter or digit. Means in this letter or digit, if letter or digit is there, answer will be true, otherwise false. This function returns true if the given argument is either a letter or a digit, otherwise false. Syntax same. Boolean variable character is letter or digit. Means it will check this character is letter or digit. If they are come in letter or digit, answer will be true, otherwise false. Boolean B, character is letter or digit, capital A, answer will be true because this is a letter, means this is a character. Small letter, this is also true because this is also a letter. Boolean B is equal to character is letter or digit 9, it is also true because this is checking that letter or digit. This is a digit, so that answer will be true. If Boolean B is equal to character is letter or digit, but and this is asterisk, this is false. Why? Because this is not a letter, not a digit, this is a special character, so answer will be come in false. Next character function is white space. White space means blank space. This function can be used to check for an existing space, blank or gap in a string. Between two string there will be gap or blank space is there. It will return a Boolean type value, that is true or false. If the given argument is white space, means blank are there, so that answer will be true, otherwise false. Syntax: Boolean variable, character is white space, character. Boolean B, character is white space. There in single quote there is no character, no string, so that it answer will become true because this is a gap, this is a blank space. Boolean B is equal to character is white space, and here we have written asterisk. Asterisk is a special character. The answer will become false because there is a special character. There is not a blank space. So that answer will be false. Now number 4, character is uppercase. It will check character is uppercase or not. This function will return true if the given argument is an uppercase letter. Otherwise false. Same, Boolean variable, character is uppercase character. For example, Boolean P is equal to character is uppercase. Capital A is here. This is a is a character and it is in capital letter uppercase. So that answer will be true. And this is small g. Answer will be false because this is a small character. Now next is character is lowercase. This function will return true if the given argument is a lowercase letter, otherwise false. First we will check Boolean. For example, Boolean P is equal to character is lowercase, capital U are here. So this answer will come false. Why? Because this is a uppercase. If it will write in lowercase, the answer will be true. In this form, Boolean P is equal to character is lowercase, this is small g. The answer will be true because this is a lowercase character. Now next is character to uppercase. To means interchange. To means here to will use for interchange. Character to uppercase. This function returns the given argument in uppercase character. The given character remains same if it is already in uppercase. Otherwise it will be changed. Suppose example is char c is equal to, there we will not take Boolean value. Boolean value we will take for true or false, but here we will change, so that we will take char. Char c is equal to character to uppercase. Small a is here, so answer will become in capital A because character to uppercase, to means change. Small a will be changed in capital A. Now char c is equal to character to uppercase. If capital character are here, so answer will be same, capital G. There no change will be there. Char c is equal to character to uppercase. This is a question mark. Question mark means this is a special character. It will return the same character because the given character is not a letter. So that answer will come only this. This will not change. Now next is character to lowercase. This function returns the given argument in lowercase character. The given character remains same if it is already in lowercase. This is the opposite of uppercase. It returns the same character if the character used with the function is not a letter. Now example is char C, character to lowercase, means it will change to lowercase, and capital A are here, so answer will come in small a. Why? Because capital A will be changed in lowercase, capital A will be changed in small a. Now next is character C, char C is equal to character to lowercase, and small g are here, so that it is already in small lowercase, so that answer will come g only, it will not change. Char C is equal to character to lowercase, asterisk are here, this is a special character, so answer will, there will be no change, it will return the same character like asterisk. Now next is conversion from character to ASCII code and vice versa. This we will do in our next video. Okay, I will continue this chapter in upcoming video. If you have any query, you can ask me through email. I hope to see you soon in class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students.